Hello everyone, if you are new to this channel and you haven't followed up with my status of my X5, my comfort charging on my car isn't working. So this box inside here, there's a new module which I purchased like a month ago. So I'm getting it fixed today. I'm sending it to Autobahn, which at Bandar Samre. So fingers crossed, if everything goes well, I will be able to charge my car again. So there is a story about the whole thing. So I bought this about 4,000 ringgit. So you top out another 500 ringgit for shipping. So in total it will be 4,500 ringgit. So this is a brand new unit. It's not a used, it's not a refurbished unit. So if you are looking for one, I'm going to share the part number on the video screen. Hopefully you don't get this problem like I do. So hopefully everything goes well, and after this is fixed, I'm going to send my wife X1 to the workshop as well to check the rear suspension or absorbers, because there's some sound which is quite irritating. And other than that, I'm going to get the windshield replaced because there's a crack there as well. So besides that, honestly, the X1 has been very dependent, never break down before in my 6 years of ownership of this X1. So if you're getting one, this is a very reliable car. Unless it's a high mileage car, you need to do some preventive maintenance. You can watch my older video, which I'm going to share in the link above.
3 days later.
What you're looking right at is my new comfort charging module has been installed and it needs to be reprogrammed. So this reprogramming, my foreman called a BMW specialist who actually specializes in all the hybrid and electric cars to recode this. I was told by this BMW electronics specialist that if you don't recode your module after installing a new one, it might short circuit other components in your electrical system. So this is very critical. After you install a new one, you must reprogram it.
I'm going to be perfectly upfront. Honestly, it's kind of phobia to charge this car using the external port. Two things. One is I worry that this is going to happen again, meaning the modules got burned, then it's going to cost me a small fortune again. Another thing is I worry charging and this car catch fire. I don't want to be part of the statistics, so this is kind of worrisome. Even 1% of possibility also kind of freaked me out. I don't know about you, but I'm going to relocate my wall box outside here soon. That is going to be done not in this house but on my next house, which I have planned to move to. If the plan goes well, I will be moving to the house and I'm going to install the wall box all the way outside, which as far as possible from the main house if I'm keeping this car. So I'm going to test the charging. I'm pretty sure that my foreman have tested it, but now I'm going to test it using the wall box. So it's been a while since I opened this charging port. Let's try switch on the isolator. Okay, here we go. Looks like it's working. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So far so good, fingers crossed. I will keep you guys posted on the progress. This is my old comfort charging module that came with the car. I'll see if there's any way to get this repair, since this is electronic items. Pretty sure that we have a way to replace all the chip inside there. The question is which specialist will be able to repair this module. Most importantly is how do we test it after the repair. If I get this repair, if the current one that I have got burned, then at least I have a replacement set. So that is my thought. So if you know anyone who can repair this, or you know any electronic or electrical guy that is willing to take up this repair job, tell me in the description below. I'd like to make arrangement with them so that we can have this repaired, and most importantly it can be done cheaply. The rest of us, if we encounter this issue, we know where to go to. So write in the description below if you know anybody who is willing to take up this job in the future. If it happens to us 40E owners, or maybe the 45E owners, we got some place to go to and get it sorted.